Hey guys, Nikki from Nikki's Organic Kitchen. So I want to do something a little different today and let me know your thoughts. So anyway, I thought I'd share some of the stuff that I'm cooking today and why. So I'm going to be making a vegan shepherd's pie with Swiss chard, onion, and potatoes. And I just wanted to kind of go over some of the benefits of the ingredients. First of all, you guys know I am an onion lover. If you don't know, it's buried in the tombs of Pharaoh. It's an ancient food. It's an alkaline food. It's definitely one of my favorites. So, what do we have here? It's heart healthy. It's cancer fighting. It helps to control blood sugar. Also, it may increase your bone density. It's great for digestion. It has antibacteria properties. It helps with cell damage and nerve function. And it does so much more. I could literally fill this whole board on the awesomeness of onions. By the way, the darker the better. And the most nutritious part actually comes from what's closer to the skin. So the more you get inside the onion, the less nutritious. The next one, another alkaline favorite, which is Swiss chard. It's actually one of the healthiest leafy greens, filled with vitamin K, actually over 300% in one serving, if I'm not mistaken. Rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, magnesium, and manganese, and it has great phytonutrients that help fight disease. The next one, not necessarily alkaline, but still a good one, potatoes. This is great for fiber. It is great for potassium and it absorbs potassium really well too. Another one great for blood sugar, really good for digestion with the gut bacteria. And that's because a lot of food actually starts in the small intestines, but this one actually passes through the small intestines and starts to digest in the large intestine, giving you some good bacteria. Here's another tip though, the best way, which is actually called resistant starch, I should say that. And if you cook it and then chill it, it's actually even more nutritious and it's gluten free. I also want to caution you guys. You got to be careful with the green potatoes. That can actually be toxic and can cause inflammation and inflammation bowel syndrome. So you want to be really careful. 60 to 70% of that is actually in the skin. Also, you can see I had to get a new marker. Blueberries. This is for the second dish. You guys know I love a samosa, an empanada, something like that. So today I'm going to be making blueberry samosas, and um, they are the king of antioxidants. It really helps to reduce DNA damage. It also handles that LDL, that bad cholesterol. Another heart healthy food. It helps to lower blood pressure. It's great for brain and memory function, UTIs, and also, just like I talk about oranges, this helps to reduce muscle damage after a workout. So eat it before and you won't be in as much pain. Also, what is my herb for the day? That is going to be one of my favorites, oregano. I'm actually going to sneak it in with the blueberries. You won't really be able to taste it. Now, remember, there's lots of different varieties. In America, there tends to be the Mexican, which is from the lime family, and the Greek, which is from, the mint family. Mint is not an alkaline, so I tend to use the Mexican, which is cheaper, probably because I'm a California girl, and oregano has 42 times more antioxidants than apples, and I'm a big fan of apples. So anyway, this is what I'll be manifesting and producing for my beautiful family today. If I get a time, I'll bring you guys in the kitchen. Quite honestly, I have a lot going on today. So God bless, eat well. Let me know if you like this, if you want to learn more about the ingredients versus just the cooking, because everybody's cooking, but they're not really talking about what they're cooking. All right, God bless. Bye.